Hello friends, today's recipe is pumpkin soup. It's healthy, tasty and one of the most popular soup recipe in Germany. In winter, a hot pumpkin soup with roasted butter bread is the best healthy meal one can have. We will be making it more healthier by adding carrots along with pumpkin. So without any delay, let's prepare our soup. For making this pumpkin soup, we require 2 tablespoons fresh cream, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon olive oil, salt as per taste, 2 small carrots, 1 inch ginger, 3 garlic, 1 small onion, 2 small potato and half pumpkin. So first what I will do is, I will chop all the vegetables and wash them properly. Onion garlic will bring a good aroma to our soup. We will be chopping here pumpkin and carrot in medium size because at the end we will be blending it. I tasted this pumpkin soup in one of the parties here 2 years back and found it really interesting, and then after with several trials at home it came out perfect. So thought, why not in this winter I share this healthy recipe with you all. Here I have used potato also because it brings thickness to our soup. Our all vegetables are chopped and cleaned. Now we will be shifting towards the pumpkin. First, cut the pumpkin into half. Do not peel it because once we cook the pumpkin, the cover will also become soft. Now remove the seeds. You can clean the seeds and remove the outer cover and use it for making bread or for garnishing the soup. It tastes awesome. So now take a pan and add olive oil. Here you can also use butter or any other cooking oil. Now add chopped garlic and chopped ginger to it and roast it. We just have to roast it for few seconds until it turns aromatic, and then add chopped onions. Roast onions until it becomes soft. We don't want the onion color to change red. Now add chopped carrots and potato and saute for more 1 minute. After 1 minute, add chopped pumpkin and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Here you can add 1 cup water to this pan and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes, or take a pressure cooker and cook it for 1 to 2 whistles. I have used here pressure cook method because it speedifies the process. Now once all the vegetables are cooked, remove the whistle and allow it to cool. Once all the vegetable cools down, make the puree in a blender until smooth. Here our smooth puree is ready. Now take this puree in a pan and add some water. Adjust the consistency of the soup according to you. Here in German, people prefer thick consistency. Now add salt and pepper and mix it properly. Cook it for more 5 minutes so the puree and water gets properly cooked. Now add fresh cream at the end to give it a smooth and creamy texture, and cook it for more 1 to 2 minutes. You can also avoid this step if you don't like cream. Our hot soup is now ready to serve. You can have this soup with garlic bread or roasted butter bread. I will garnish this soup with fresh cream, black pepper and some pumpkin seeds. You can also store this soup in freezer and use it for 2 to 3 days. I hope you like this simple, tasty and healthy soup recipe. Do share your experiences with me in the comment box. And if you like this recipe after preparing in your kitchen, then press the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet next time with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye.